this video, you will learn about how to use mobile camera for TV calling. To make a TV video call, first launch JioJoin app on STB and complete the one-time setup. Also download JioJoin app on your mobile device. Do the one-time setup of your landline number on JioJoin app. Ensure that your mobile is connected to JioFiber Wi-Fi. Go to Settings page and enable mobile camera and mic. And set a desired name for easy discovery. Now, on home page of JioJoin app on STB, select the contact you want to call. Discovery will be initiated for the set of mobile devices with JioJoin app setup. Select the device whose camera you want to use from available set of devices. Click on the Accept prompt on your mobile device. Flip the camera to front or back as per your need. That's it! Your TV call is now on. Stay connected with your friends and family on full screen.